So over here, you can see that I got a design template, and let's say I want to download that out. To download it as an image file, you can go on to the top right hand side right over here where you see the download icon. So once you click on it, the download box appears. So if you have a pro version, you are able to select the size and transparent background and everything else. But in the free version, we're not allowed to do that, but we have to download it in its suggested resolution. So by default, you can see that PNG file type is suggested right here. There's also other file types that you can download, like for example, JPG, PDF, PDF print right here, video, GIF, and even animation, GIF animation. But over here, the animated movie or GIF is only for the pro users. But anyways, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to download it, let's say as a JPG image. So let's download this out, and it says it's preparing your design, and then it'll download it as a JPG image, as you can see. So I'm not gonna save this out. I'm just gonna open this up with Photos, press OK, and you can see that now this has been downloaded on my computer in its resolution right over here. So usually when you want to preserve resolution, you want to download high quality image, you can also download it as a PDF. So I'm just going to go around into PDF standard. So that will actually download in a high quality image right here. So let me just open that out as well. And once I open that out, this is the design in PDF format. And although the resolution was not selectable for other formats, you can select. You can see that right over here. This is like a vector graphics, which you can download right over here as a PDF as well, which is higher in quality. So those are for the images. So you can download PNG or PDF or GIF as well if there's a bit of an animation. So let's see how to work around with that. So I'm going to go around and I'm going to search for animation in template. And these are the ones with animations. I'm just going to delete this out. I'm going to click this, and there's no animation on this one. So I'm just going to go around with the animation elements. So I'm going to go to element, and I'm going to go to stickers right over here, just like this. So the sticker right over here, and then bring this one out as well. Let me rotate this around just like that. All right, so there you go. There's the sticker and this one. So now I'm going to download this out. So let me just download it. So I can download it as JPG, but that will remove the animation. So let me just download it as a GIF, a short animated clip. So let me just download it. It's preparing my design, as you can see, and then it'll be ready for us to view. So I'm going to open it with Photos, and there you go. There's the GIF animation, as you can see right over here. So I can go over here, and then I can expand this out just like this. This is a GIF animation, as you can see. So short GIF animation. Another thing is we can download videos as well. So they're still in beta right over here, as you can see. So there's video format that we can download in, like in MP4 format. So if I have multiple slides, let's say for example, I'm going to add in more animations over here. So that's animation over there, just like that. And a bit more animations right over here. Add a new page, and then over here just like this. So just grab a bunch of random images right over there. So you can see that this is the range of animations that I have. So I can go over here on to download, and I can select all of the pages over here. I'm going to download them as a video. You can also select pages, like certain pages, if you just want to download them, but I'm going to keep them all together just like this and download it out. So it prepares my my overall animation as a video file right over there, as an MP4 file, and you can see that now it's downloaded as an MP4 file. So let me just open this up directly without saving it, and there you go. There's my animation right over there, and after 5 seconds it'll change just like that onto a different video clip, just like that. So what you can do is you can just change out the animation then, just like that. So that is how you can download the graphics in different file formats from Canva to your computer, so that you can share it in any of the platforms as you wish. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.